Welcome back to my channel Way Too Much Navy guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for my upcoming videos. So now let's move to the topic quickly, and before that please don't skip it because this video is going to be very informative for you guys. So what is that? As per the title, you have already known that Indian government, or you can say the DG Shipping, has been announced a financial package for the seafarers. Have you ever heard Seafarer Welfare Fund Society, or SWFS? It is a governing body under the DG Shipping. So what is that? Basically, it has announced a financial package for the seafarers, but there are definitely some terms and conditions are there. So in this video I will discuss regarding all the terms and condition, as well as I will show you the form, how to fill up the form, which all documents are required, eligibility criteria to get the money, and everything will be discussed, and how to download the form, that also I will discuss in this video. So let's not waste the time. I will move to my laptop screen, and there I will show you each and every details, and the form link you will get in the description box. You can download directly the PDF and you can fill it up and send, and as per instruction that I'll show you within a few minutes. So now let's move to my laptop screen. So now we are in my laptop screen. You can see that is the circular which has been posted on 23rd of May 2020. The scheme name is SWFS, Novel Coronavirus or COVID-19 Assistance Scheme for Indian Seafarers. So we'll see the scheme will effective from 1st of February 2020 till 31st of December 2020. The scheme will provide financial assistance to the seafarers and their family members for inpatient treatment for coronavirus or COVID-19 in case death of seafarers. Under this scheme, the SWFS will provide financial assistance maximum 1 lakh for novel coronavirus affected seafarer or their families if they are admitted in COVID notified hospital or for the treatment. Further, in case of death of a seafarer due to COVID-19, the financial assistance amounting to rupees 2 lakhs will be paid to the next of kin of the seafarer. I think this doubt is clear. Now we will move to annexure 1 to 3. So this is the annexure 1. So this is the preamble, you can see. So I will definitely give this PDF link in the description so you can read these things, but eligibility criteria will discuss in this video only. So that is, all Indian seafarers must have the CDC, that is very important. Spouse of deceased seafarer is eligible for scheme provided she or he is not remarried. Okay, apart from that, some others terms and conditions are there. You can see seafarers or his or her family member should have admitted to taken to treatment at a notified COVID hospital in India only. Means if you admit outside India, then this scheme is not for you. The claimant will be required to submit self-attested copy of hospital discharge card with summary medical reports, medical bills, duty certified by the chief medical officer or designated doctor. So these things you can read by yourself. Pause the screen and read. And the seafarer who is below 60 years of age will be required to submit the self-attested copy of the latest CDC to confirm last sea service period through the Indian Shipping Company or registered RPSL company. But the seafarer who is above 60 years will also require to submit self-attested copy of his latest CDC book for verification and record. The spouse of deceased seafarer is required to submit the self-attested copy of CDC book his or her deceased seafarer and a declaration that she or he not remarried after death of the seafarer till death of the submission is claimed. So these things you can already have told. Someone is affected by COVID and under treatment, then they will provide 1 lakh rupees. If unfortunately seafarer is passed away, then the amount will be increasing to 2 lakhs rupees. To claim the assistance under the scheme, only application will be entertained which are as per SWFS format. I will show you the format, just hold on little bit. In annexure 1 and 2, application can be sent the following emails. Please note down these two emails, these are very important. This email you can send the application. Now here several instructions are there, you can read by yourself. Now we'll move to the main thing, that is the application form. Remember, this is the annexure 2, this is for the patient, means for the 1 lakh rupees candidate. This is for the only seafarers who are admitted due to the corona, see, inpatient only. Okay, so seafarers name and all this thing you have to take a printout and fill as per the details is concerned, then you can send the email I have shown in the earlier. But these documents you require, that is self-attested copy of Indian CDC large sign up date vessel, self-attested CDC cancellation order, original medical bills, self-attested discharge copy of the medical report card issued by the nominated COVID hospital, self-attested copy or ID proof of the patient, in case of minor child of his birth certificate. Okay, in case of claim form of the spouse or deceased seafarer, he or she has to submit declaration he or she has not remarried after death seafarer till time submission of claim. Also copy of death certificate of late seafarer to be submitted along with the application form. Here you can fill your bank details so they can send. These are the two important notes that you can read by yourself. This portion is not for you, office will use this portion, so till this you have to fill up the form and send the email which I have shown you. Now this is annexure 3 and this form is for the seafarers who has passed away. So the same details you need to fill. The documents you can see over here, which all documents are required, almost the same, maybe one or two more required. So all the bank details you can fill over here. Another thing, please don't fill any NRO, NRE or NRI. Just fill simple savings Indian account, because in the NRI they cannot send the money. So that's it. I think I have said everything in this video. So link will be in the description box. You can go to the link and download this whole PDF. In this PDF you will get the instruction as well as the form and other information like eligibility criteria, which all documents you required for this claiming, and obviously the important part is email. So these two emails are very important. So I think I have cleared all your doubt regarding this scheme by Seafarers Welfare Fund. So I think you have seen all the video. I think each and every doubt has been clear. If any doubt is there, you can let me know in the comment section or message me in Instagram. I will try to clear your doubts. So I think it's a good initiative, but definitely it's not for all who are suffering due to COVID or very sadly who have passed away due to this COVID-19. For that seafarers only this scheme is applicable.